So, Gladiator OS is one of the latest performance boosted, well supported, and well maintained port ROM for POCO phone F1. From last Gladiator OS 12.6, I am kind of excited to test out their builds. So, let's look at how to download and install latest Gladiator OS build for POCO F1. I did notice a few were having confusions how to download the Gladiator OS. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, let's see how we can download the Gladiator build. You can follow the same steps for any other Gladiator builds. Some steps may vary, but can pick it up if you see closely. I am downloading the file from my laptop. Actually, it is not necessary. You can use the phone and the steps are going to be the same. First is to join the Dev Telegram channel from the description and open the download link. Mostly, this link will open with your default browser. I suggest Google Chrome since it is more friendly with cookies. You will be redirected to Gladiator OS website where you can get all the links for their builds. Once you choose one build, you can scroll down a bit. You will get a download button. Selecting the download button will take you to another page. From here, verify that you are not a robot by selecting whatever captcha they are giving. Once done, select verify and select I am not a robot. Waiting for a couple of seconds, it will take you to countdown. Once that finishes, now select click to verify. It can take you to another page. Check closely for any green button with link download. Once you find it, select that. You will get another page from here. Carefully close all pop-up ads. In case you select anything wrong, make sure to come back to the same page. Anyways, by the time you close those ads, your countdown will finish and you will get another green button with get link. You may need to try selecting it 2 or 3 times. Keep in mind that each time you select it, you will get redirected to a ad page, but make sure to come back into the current page. As I said, after 2-3 times, you will get a Google Drive page where you can download the ROM easily by selecting it. Once the download finishes, move the ROM file into your micro SD card and remove all security measures including screen lock, face unlock, fingerprint and Google account linked, MI account linked if any. Also, make sure to take a backup of your data to avoid data loss. Another important thing is your phone need to be charged at least 50%. Don't go further if it is not. As you see, I have already finished all my prerequisites and rebooted into recovery. There is no preferred recovery for this ROM, so you can use the latest TWRP recovery. Now go back to home and select wipe, advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache system vendor data internal storage and swipe to wipe it. Once done, navigate into ROM file. Select ROM file and flash it. Wait until installation finishes. Once done, verify that there is no errors noticed. I am not flashing any DFE now since the ROM is not encrypted out of the box. So rebooting the phone will take you to new OS. Let me quickly finish the first boot steps and come back. So here it is, the Gladiator OS OnePlus7 port running on Xiaomi POCO F1. I'll be doing a performance review of this ROM very soon. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you like my work and I'll catch you in next one.